Hello everybody. We can see now the first lens blocks or lens cells of the Olympus sz6045. I just released tightening bolts. Now those blocks are moved easily, and with those blocks I'll try to make proper adjustment, because so far those blocks were set that way that optical passes coming out from the zoom part of the microscope were bent, we could say, or were standing, not that I don't know how to say it. Those passes need to get 90 degrees away from the lens's surfaces, but they were not for some reason. So I just released those strengthening, tightening bolts, tried to adjust those lens cells, and after that we'll see whether it works properly or not. And by the way, I need to replace the gear. That is not bad, no cracks in the gear. I need to replace this gear with one that got strengthened with some thread and epoxy. So I need to replace the gear too. So far so good. Bye bye everybody.